I want to talk about this particular piece, and it's me way back in, must have been the 70s, early 80s. And it's holding up a picture of this bronze assemblage, which we had cast here in the barn and in the foundry. And you can see that we're having troubles moving it. We've put boards underneath it and a sliding surface. I think it's probably welded to a flat plate. And then this is, the parts are assembled from an original model, but this went down to South Carolina to the Milliken mills and to Garish Milliken's brother. I presume it's still there because it's not movable. But if I ever get down to South Carolina, I think we should drive by it and see if it exists there. It was assembled, built, Ernesto and I in teams. We put it together. We actually built the original, enlarged the original in fiberglass on a core frame, and then assembled it in plaster. And then, having done the plaster, we took it and put strings all along this area right here, strings, and broke it out into pieces. Don't know how to draw that, but anyway, I maybe I can actually draw it, but and took it in individual pieces, and you can see in some of the photographs that people are sending out from Chinese constructions, from foundries in China, and they assemble it in such a way that they divide it out in, like, you just put a line down each one of these things. And the way I did it was to glue string onto the surface of the epoxy and finished piece. And it's only fairly recently that we sent it on its way, put it in a dumpster, but because it had grown old. But the bronze will still be alive and well, and buildable. And I'm interested in going on to these large-scale sculptures. So anyway, that I'll report to you. And silicon bronze, cast by the foundry here, and doable and being done around the world, but not specifically these images, my images, but there you can see the strength of the sculptor's hand and the perceptive eye, I guess. You can see the, there we go, look at him, serious. And this takes commitment and building. And look at the surfaces. You can see them and the different finishes on the bronze. It's very, very beautiful. Obviously we're pulling it with a cable there. So